So my name is Andrew Lee Adams from Adams International Knife Works AIK, and today I want to show you some of the work that I do. I do custom metal engraving and also customization work. This piece here is a custom Mertz that I did hand engraving on. Also did this old school Almar. And aside from the custom work that I do, I also been commissioned occasionally from ProTech Knives, where I did some engraving work for ProTech. But this piece I did for us. This piece was with copper inlays that I hand engraved and stone set rubies in, along with 24 karat gold plated screws. And one of my favorites is this belt buckle that came from Almar that I also did. So I can do a lot of custom handle work, file work, metal embellishments, and also some restoration work on classic knives, Italian and German switchblades. And if you want to look us up, be sure to find us at www.adamsknifeworks.com. Thank you, and look forward to hearing from you.
So you say you use a TRS engraver?
I do. Yeah, I have a engraving set up in my workshop, and also do some in my office as well.
What do you like to work with? Steel, nickel, silver, copper, what?
I'm pretty partial to stainless steel and copper, but I also do engraving on titanium as well. I've done like a number of commissions from ProTech where they had me engrave a bunch of Newports that were titanium, some Godfathers as well. So I also do some restoration work on early American vintage switchblades, Italian switchblades, and German as well. And these two, along with all these other ones here. I did some restoration work too, to recondition the blades, reground them, fix parts that were broken or tarnished, trying to get them to look somewhat brand new or well preserved and everything. Sometimes disassembling them completely and restoring them piece by piece inside out, and then reassembling them. Yeah, I try to save if it's savable, I try to save the knife from bottom up. So this is a German Hubertus switchblade that I did customization work to. Did with rosewood, abalone inlays in the handle, the lever, and also matching engraved bolsters. Did some more inlay work on the back, 24 karat gold plated screws, and file work highlights on the liners. This was a part of a set of 3 that I did, where there were 2 14 size larger Hubertuses that had like the same work, but each had their own set of unique engravings on them. Those are already sold, and this is like the last one that we got left. It's hard to keep a lot of the work that I do in stock because I do a lot of customizations on Italians, Germans, and this piece I wanted to share with you today.
Okay, thanks a lot, man. Have a good show.
Thank you.